Yeah. Tell me about them.
This is dumping, or this is dumping rocks, and this is dumping rocks, and this is dumping coal, and this is dumping cement, and this is dumping tomatoes, and this is dumping oranges, and this is dumping sand.
How smart are you? Who taught you that?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Who taught you all this?
Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Hammer car and a tree picker and a shoe bass and a wagon and a tow truck and a car and a cement truck. All the cars are flat.
All the cars, oh, they're flat. Their wheels are flat. Because they ran over what? What did they run over?
Some people.
No, they ran over some nails. That's why their tires are flat. So silly. Do you love this book? Yeah. Whose favorite book was this when he was little?
Me.
No, Daddy's. Daddy loved this book too.
When I was Daddy age, I used to read this book to Dada.
You used to read this book to Daddy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's so nice. When you were Daddy's age?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so interesting.
Look.
Okay. Say adios.
Adios.